Take a ride in the 2016 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.